What is organizational process, right? So let's talk about it and try to understand that. So you might have heard about acquisitions. Company A acquired company B, right? What does that mean? So normally an acquisition happens when a bigger company acquires a small company. And then name it, the final output name is coming by the name of the bigger company, right? So as you can see, as per the demonstration, A plus B is equal to A. This is acquisition, right? Then another term which we will hear is merger. Merger is where there are two different entities, two different companies or firms, they are coming together and merging with each other. And after merger, there is a separate name or a separate entity, financial entity, which is created after that merger. A engagement is called as a merger. Then there is also a third process which is called as divestiture. Divestiture means uh, maybe for the ease of management, maybe the company is making some kind of losses over a period of time. So company decided that my size has grown up so much, I need to break in small parts. Maybe a bigger company broken down into two entities. A is getting broken into A and C, right? So that such a activity is called as divestiture. Lot many times it happens because of taxation purposes, or the company is not performing well, or for ease of management. Those are the reasons why divestiture happens. But guys, the
An
question is
example of like to for
now the question is what the hell we are studying here onto this slide? How it is getting related to security, acquisition, merger, divestiture. These are corporate functions. These are corporate organizational process. This keeps on happening. But then how we are going to study this as part of CISSP, right? Answer is here. Now, when any kind of acquisition happens or merger happens or divestiture happens, people are scared that they are going to lose their job. There is oftentimes a choice. Oftentimes, the company your company is going to acquire, like your company is going to acquire company A, then their set of policies, their security practices, their security culture, their leadership focus is different from what you have. Their risk variables may be different than what you have. And when you're onboarding those assets to your company, for example, you are carrying out a vulnerability assessment and penetration testing on all your business applications. But there is a new company you are going to acquire. That company does not have a vulnerability management program by itself. Now, when you onboard those servers to your servers, is the risk, right? So that is how we are going to study that as part of CISSP. So what happens is people are scared. There are differences in security policies and all. There are high chances that people may disclose confidential things. Data may get lost because people, while they are transforming one asset into some other data center or somewhere, there are high chances that data loss may happen. There are high chances that some business application may suffer downtime because they have to be migrated from the old version to the new version, or there are new set of controls which need to be implemented, right? At times there are chances that there are failures to achieve the return on investment. Panic again. Then insufficient data sanitization. That means, okay, you had some desktops, I'm going to onboard those desktop to me. They need to be transferred to some other employee or some other person. Then in that case, whatever data you deleted from the old computer may still remain. There are chances that people may run some kind of software and then they are able to recover what was there on that system. That may even contain confidential information. All that kind of perspective you need to think as a CISO. You are just thinking as a CISO here, right? Just think in those directions that all these organizational process, they may also have impact on your entire security program. And that is where you need to be extra careful if your organization is going through any such phase.